If you want to delete any projects or all the projects together in CapCut, you can do it very easily. By default, if you want to delete, we have to move our cursor and there is a three dots are there. We can click here and it will give us the delete option. But there is very simple way. Suppose I want to delete this one. So what we need to do? We can click any blank space like this and drag this one, and here you will see the check mark is there. Now you can directly delete here. There is another way, like if you want to delete all of them, so what we need to do, we have to click here and we need to select all of them together, and finally there is a delete button, and if we press delete it will be deleted. I'm not going to delete all of them. What I'm going to delete, I'm going to delete this and this. So what I need to do, we need to choose these two, not this one. Okay, so I'm going to select everything and then a green check mark is there. Now I don't want to delete this one, so I'm going to click here and it will be unselected. Now it's selected these two. To delete this thing, we can simply click this delete button and it will be deleted. It will give us this type of like window, like move to trash. We have to press OK button and it will be deleted. So that's it. In this way we can easily delete the unwanted projects from CapCut.